is Mohammad Arshad. I'm a mechanical engineer at Cardiff University, and I did a summer internship with KGAL. So for me, it was all about getting experience. I knew that was something that was going to be really important going forward. So for me, it was just trying to get as much experience as I can during my time at university to, one, expand my horizons about the different job opportunities there are, and two, just to help me get a start when applying for jobs after my degree. My placement was organised through a Cardiff alum called Digby at KGAL, who used to go to this university, and while I was there, he was obviously a massive help to my placement there. He was always there on hand to help with anything I needed, and he was always there for me if I needed anything. And also I think he was very keen in my professional development as an engineer, and he is, as of many students. That's something he encourages massively, so he was very interested in developing my engineering profession and making sure that I had the foundation to become a good engineer. And so much so that he went to the effort to actually arrange another visitation for me at another engineering company for me here in Cardiff, because he believed that it would be beneficial to my development as an engineer. So he was a massive help the whole time I was there. So KGAL specialises in water control. So I was there, and the project that I was involved in was designing a floodgate for a place called Lowestoft. So the project started more or less when I arrived, and I helped with the whole design process of designing the floodgate that was going to be installed in Lowestoft. And the floodgate design was completed as I was finishing my placement, which worked out quite nicely. Being able to design something that was actually going to be installed in real life was quite surreal, because we do a lot of design work at university, but it never comes into realization. So to be able to design something that was actually going to be made in real life was surreal, and to know I had a hand in that was, a surreal feeling. I think it's helped me in so many ways that, for starters, I had to live out for myself for the first time ever. So obviously, just for personal development, that was a massive thing, being able to live out and be independent for the first time ever. But also in terms of what I learned there and the people I worked with was a massive help. So they taught me so much in terms of engineering, and they applied a lot of what I had learned at my university in real life applications. So that was really cool to see the real life applications of what I'd learned. And also just a lot of things like working within a team and working towards a common goal was something that I've learned a lot about as well at my time at KGAL. So what I would say to other alumni is to, if possible, offer more placements like the one I had, because they can be a massive help, especially in terms of getting experience and kickstarting a lot of mechanical engineers' careers. So I think being able to give that offer, especially since you've been in a similar position, being able to offer that to students who are now getting on the same path as you were once, it'd be a massive help. And I know I've benefited a lot from it, and hopefully, if given the chance in future, I would like to do the same thing for future students.